Hello everybody and welcome to the next video on my YouTube channel CoinRingFactorySaar. I'm Marcel Bernardi and I'm going to show you today how you can make little pendants like for keychains, right? And for that I will use the multi-purpose hole punch kit from Neiko. And it's really useful. I made pendants before by using a drill press and I never got this great results like I do with the punch kit. So let's have a little review. Okay, this is the package, how it comes. This little box is in there. There you can see Neiko multi-purpose power hole punch kit. 3 32s to 9 32s of an inch. So it's a really tiny hole you can get, but also a pretty big one. Right. This is how the package looks like, but that's not that important. What's more important is what's in the box. You can open it, it's really nice, you can carry it around, it's not really heavy. So you open the box and normally this is in there. So we got here, we got the punch kit, we got the punches, and also these are the parts where the punch will end in. And this is the key to unlock those screws, and then you can change the punches and these parts. So let's take it out. Here it is. That's the punch kit. It's really nice. Here's some rubber around the handles, and there you can say how at what place you want the hole to be. So if now I got the smallest punch, let's say I want a bigger one, then I just take it, put it down. Now I take the key and open the screw. So screw is open. I go like this and then I go like this. Just push it up. Now I can take the punch, put it in the box and take another punch. I put it in here and now there's this hole and I go in there like this, right? So now it's in and I have to screw the screw into the hole again, so it will work again. So this doesn't work. Try it here. Yeah, here's better. This does not work like I wanted to. Let's turn it around. Maybe that's it. Ah, there it is. Now we got it. Hold on. Ah, we got it. Great. So now we changed the punch, but we also need to change the other part. So that's really easy. Take it out. It's also screwed in. Next one. So it's not hard to change the punches. Okay, this is the part how to change the punches. So you can choose how big the holes should be. Okay, now I showed you how to use it, kinda how to change punches, and now I will show you how to use it. So that's an Australian coin. Normally you should polish them before you make a pendant out of it, but I just thought to show you how I do it, I just take a coin. So I think it will look good if the hole is about here. So I take the punch, put it on the table, then I take the punch up, I put the coin under it, then I will look where the hole will be. Yeah, that would be fine. Now I take the punch and push. This was really easy, easier than I expected it to be, because there are some coins where it will be pretty hard, and this was an easy one. So here you can see there it goes, the punched out part, really small, and now the coin is kind of stuck on the punch, and you just go and it's out of there. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, that's a nice hole. The holes are extremely clear. Like when you use a drill press, there's always on the lower side of the coin there are parts of the metal sticking out, and that's really hard to get rid of it. So you usually use a bigger drill, and then it doesn't look really good. If you use this punch, no problems with that. It's really clear. No way to hurt yourself on this hole. That's, I think, amazing. So now we got a hole. We take the punch, put it back in, and now we take this. I don't know how it's called, but I think you know what I mean. So I also take this. It's like a keychain, a really little keychain, but it's the part you attach to the keychain. So I take this one and hold the chain. Take this one, hold it there, and then I open it. Right? Now I take the coin and put it in there. After that, I take this and we go back until it's closed again. And there we are. So, and this is kinda how you make pendants. But this tool is not only good for making pendants, but I thought a little bit about it. You could also make like buttons. So take this, it's a 2 Pfennig piece. They are pretty easy too. 1 hole and like the second hole, and it's pretty straight. You should make some marks when you want to make buttons, but yeah, I think you can see, kind of looks like a button. You can use it. There are some coin ring crafters who use coins as buttons when they lose a button, so that's a cool thing you could do too with this punch kit. So that's kind of it. So this was my review of this punch kit. I have to say it's really useful. It makes a lot of fun to use it. It's really great fun punching holes into coins. Could do it all day. So maybe you think, wow, such a great pendant. There are probably more pendants at his Etsy shop. Yeah, I would like one. Well, I have to disappoint you. I don't sell pendants in my Etsy shop. It's just because there are so many other people selling pendants made out of coins, and most of them would look a little bit better than the ones I do. So I do sell them when I go to like craft fairs or markets. I do bring them with me. They are not really popular, but I bring them with me because they are so much fun to make. So I got a lot of them. And I'm really happy if some of them are sold. So right, you can't find them at my Etsy shop, but you can find my coin rings and the stud earrings at my Etsy shop. Yeah, you could just check that out. Yeah, if you liked the video, you could give me a thumbs up, you know how it works, or subscribe. Well, right. The last thing I could say is I hope I will see you in the next video, and have a nice day.